At SCATSlearn, we believe that our courses will add intrinsic value and upskill your team. Master SCATS with accelerated onboarding, guided learning paths, and optimized SCATS usage. So what are SCATSlearn's standout features? All our courses include step-by-step learning, which is quintessential to grasping new concepts quickly, as well as visually engaging graphics and imagery. Bringing theory to life with animations that explain complex concepts in a clear and innovative way. Your team will learn from engaging and relevant real-life scenarios. Try out new learned skills with helpful tips and hints. All courses test knowledge with interactive quizzes and knowledge checks. Every course provides a completion certificate. So register online today to experience SCATSlearn.